Ever wished you could get rewarded for your everyday spending? Like, seriously rewarded? Not just some measly points that barely amount to anything. I'm talking about real cash back, exclusive deals, and the chance to win amazing prizes. Well, buckle up, Buttercup, because today we're diving deep into the world of Favepay, the app that's shaking up the way we spend. Now, you might be thinking, another rewards app? Big deal. But trust me, Favepay is a cut above the rest. It's not just about collecting points, it's about unlocking a whole new level of value in your everyday purchases. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to use. So, let's get started. First things first, Favepay is packed with amazing deals. We're talking discounts at your favorite restaurants, cafes, and even online stores. Think 50% off your next meal, exclusive early bird access to sales, and cashback on every purchase. It's like having a personal shopper constantly hunting down the best deals just for you. But wait, there's more. Favepay isn't just about discounts. They also host exciting contests and giveaways. Imagine winning free flights, concert tickets, or even the latest gadgets. It's like playing a game where you actually win. And let's not forget about the cashback. Every time you spend using Favepay, you earn real cash back that gets deposited directly into your account. It's like getting paid to shop. Who wouldn't love that? Using Favepay is a breeze. The app is incredibly user-friendly with a clean and intuitive interface. Finding deals is easy, and redeeming them is even easier. Just scan the QR code at the checkout or use the in-app wallet to pay and watch the savings pile up. Favepay also offers a secure and convenient payment system. You can link your bank card or use their in-app wallet to make payments seamlessly. Plus, their customer support is top-notch, always ready to assist you with any questions or concerns. So, why should you choose Favepay? Well, for starters, it helps you save money on your everyday expenses. Who wouldn't want to get more for their money? It also provides access to exclusive deals and experiences that you won't find anywhere else. But perhaps the biggest benefit is the sheer convenience. With Favepay, you can easily manage your finances, track your spending, and discover amazing deals all in one place. It's like having a personal finance assistant in your pocket. Favepay is more than just a rewards app, it's a lifestyle upgrade. It empowers you to save money, discover amazing deals, and unlock a world of exclusive experiences. So, what are you waiting for? Download the Favepay app today and start enjoying the rewards. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy saving.